I really hope Jackson gets in. This is the best preschool in the whole city.
It kinda stinks that only wealthy people have access to good schools like this, you know?
That's life, peasant.
Yeah, that's life.
Doesn't have to be. If we adopted policies that allowed for school choice, everybody could have access to the best schools.
School choice? Doesn't that just take money away from public schools?
Not necessarily. If your local government spends $12,000 per year on your child, why shouldn't you get to choose which school that money and your child get sent to? If you could, good schools would get rewarded with more funding and students would receive a better education. Sometimes that would be private schools like the one we're in now, but they could be other public schools, magnet schools, or charter schools.
Besides, the argument that school choice would take money away from public schools is basically an admission that parents would choose anything else if they could. But you don't want them to have that option.
Exactly. Our goal should be getting kids a good education, not propping bad schools up.
But I've heard that charter schools aren't as good. Why would we allow people to choose something that doesn't work?
Well, that's not true according to the data. In a recent study in Wisconsin, charter and private schools participating in their school choice program were paid around 25% less than public schools. And yet, both options scored higher on the state's accountability report card. Independent charter schools were 54% more cost-effective than public schools. And on top of that, the National Center for Educational Statistics says parents and students who have a say in which school they attend say they're happier with their school than those who have no choice where to go.
A school doesn't have to be expensive to be good. How much is this place anyway?
We should get a voucher.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description because we bring the receipts, and leave a comment below. We'll see you on the next wonderful, exhilarating episode of Common Sense Soapbox. Check it out.